To embroider Rosette Chain Stitch, mark 2 parallel lines and start at the top right corner. First, make a twisted chain stitch. Then, pull the thread to tighten the stitch and pass the needle under the leg of the twisted chain stitch. Push the needle back to the fabric and make the second twisted chain stitch. Make sure that the thread is twisted in the correct direction. You can adjust the density of the stitching and the sizes of the chain stitches. If you want to make a flower with the Rosette Chain Stitch, first mark the circle and then embroider the stitches in the circle. If you find it difficult to maintain the twist of the stitch in the correct position, you can try sewing method instead of the stabbing one. When using the stitching method, you will leave the needle inside the fabric and twist the thread around it. This way it is easier to maintain the correct stitching position. After the entire circle is stitched, connect the last stitch to the first one with an invisible joint. You will see that on the back side the stitch looks like a row of straight stitches.